First, I want to greet everyone a Happy New Year. And today is my first day of work again for 2024. While a lot of new real estate agents often ask me how I collaborate with sellers and buyers, there really is no exact answer to that because different situation needs different approach. So I decided to just take you on my appointments today. First with my listing appointment with the seller, and then we go to my buyer's appointment as they inspect my property in another place. Alright, let's go. This wonderful couple is selling the residential property as they are relocating back to Canada. Our initial meeting took place at the office where we addressed their inquiries and provided a briefing on the essential documents they must prepare before their listing is accepted. This ensures that prospective buyers can proceed with confidence and legality when purchasing the property. Afterward, we proceeded to their estate situated along the provincial highway in Unsad, Villasis, Pangasinan. Spanning an area of 1,246 square meters, the property is secured by a concrete perimeter fence. It features a duplex building suitable for two families, along with a swimming pool equipped with additional water features for added enjoyment. Constructed in October 2020, the family has only utilized one unit for vacation, while the other remains unused and maintains its pristine condition. Each of the two units boasts four bedrooms on the second floor, accompanied by a servant's quarter on the ground floor. So the second floor has 4 bedrooms. So it has balcony over here. Yeah, overlooking the party that's going on downstairs. Both units are equipped with a total of 3 toilet and bath facilities, as well as a dedicated laundry area.
The house is new, right? So, like this one's brand, I changed the ones in my other one. The other. I will buy one, yeah. But my son's.
The concluding step in a listing appointment is the signing of the authority to sell, granting our brokerage the legal authority to represent the sellers with the buyers. At this juncture, I need to assess the completeness of their documents for the transfer of property ownership. So tapos na tayo sa ating seller appointment. We're on our way na to our buyer appointment in Basista. So, sama uli kayo!
Sige.
Ayan.
Ayan, kasama dito. Sige, 1, 2. Yan.